Hi guys, this is Astha Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. Guess where am I today? I've bought a new house in Kandivali. I am at Devashi Madan's house, guys. In 5 years of friendship, this is the first time we're having a sleepover. Bro, this is insane. We've not gone for any trips together because of Devashi. We've not had any sleepovers because we stay like 3 hours away from each other. But this time we decided whatever happens, we are going to have a sleepover.
And so many things happened also. It got cancelled like 5 times.
Yeah. There is something which is there, both of us. Like some nazar or someone who's putting like a...
This time was so confirmed. I told my parents also she's coming and then...
हो गया ना but अभी.
पर उस दिन तो नहीं
Her dad served some crazy Punjabi food to us, and you're a Punjabi, right?
Yeah.
I can see alcohol right at the back. You're clearly a Punjabi. So yeah, guys,
Yeah.
let us eat now. Bye.
किया सब किया.
क्या मैं?
My lips are looking juicy as fuck.
Whoever her boyfriend is,
इससे बात करने लग गई ना.
whoever her boyfriend is should see this. You know who you just did this like? It's controversial. I can't say it. She's
Guys,
mood
this is my
lighting.
mood lighting. This is how I watch movies and she's like, this is not special. She said, you want me to compliment?
Your room is dirty. Firstly, देख सब PR boxes नीचे पड़े हुए. 2 कैंडल लगा है और एक लाइट चालू किया है बस. उसमें mood lighting.
भाई तो कितना moody है.
Can you compliment my new camera, please?
You got a lens
I love
on.
these socks.
Yeah.
No, the lens comes with this. It's
Wait, I thought this is a digicam for your photos you want.
it is that only.
Wait, what the hell? This is like makeup तो कुछ भी लेके आ गई है.
No, this is the one which Tanisha has.
This
Same
is
one.
actually good, huh?
It's really good.
Oh.
So now you'll see me only using the cam. Yay! Let's go. Woohoo!
Very
3, 2, 1, go.
तेरे लिए झूमू दीवाना बनके तेरे लिए वादा है मेरा मैं हूँ तेरे लिए होना कभी तू जुदा.
Are these blueberry badam?
Yeah.
I love them. So basically, one of them is
One of them.
One of them is going to be a poisonous one. Whoever loses, what do they get to do?
Eat that chili.
Crazy. I hope you lose.
Shut up.
I have a history of winning, that's why.
Oh yeah, you do. Oh fuck यार, lemon ही रखना चाहिए था.
The game ended very differently. No one won this game.
Yeah, but we both won the game.
Yeah, we both won the
Yeah,
game, so
that's
no one. Since we both won the game, Devashi's gonna have a bite of the chili.
No.
Have
No,
one.
Okay, you'll have.
Yeah, I'll have. Cool.
Just for your vlog.
Cool.
बाद में धोखा दिया ना. It's on video. But why not? Yes, I don't understand.
You need to have.
Let's have it for another challenge.
No, you have to eat this.
You also have to eat it.
Yeah, first to eat.
थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
हाँ. Before it hits me.
First to eat the whole thing, gulp it down. And you nicely took the smaller section.
Obviously.
Now it's starting.
Are you mad? Okay.
Now the next. Now it's starting.
इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं.
We played this crazy socks game in which Devashi lost both. Devashi is losing all the
I got
games.
molested also. Tell them I got molested.
Clearly you didn't. You just lost in both.
Yeah. I did.
Can you explain which is the next game? But
So there'll be ketchup here and a bowl on top, and we'll keep doing this. Then one person has to pick up the bowl so that we hachak this.
you know who's losing now.
Shut up.
Till now you've lost all.
No, I picked you up very well.
yeah, fair. Now you're strong.
Yeah, nice job.
We have changed into another night dress.
Yeah, we're looking very cute in this together.
Yeah, we're shooting random videos. I don't
Yeah,
know why.
we're, just,
but
we're
it's
actually
fun.
just playing games.
Yeah, we're having fun. It's time pass.
Yeah.
We are playing this game of the tap thing again, and now Devashi decided to put the sauce on the table.
There's efficiency है ज़्यादा थोड़ा.
Table पे ही, ताकि table पे ही गंदा हो जाए.
Yeah. We are ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Guys, Devashi just hit me really hard.
I love that. It's a tattoo.
It's not a tattoo, dude.
I gave you a tattoo. Temporary tattoo.
I'm gonna take revenge. I'm gonna put this on your face. Same thing.
I didn't do the slap.
You got 100 rupees for it. What?
Yeah, you got paid for it.
Listen, who's this extra person talking here? Please cut the call. Imagine if Manthan would have done this.
You know, he did this. He did this with a slap. He was like, whoever slaps the lightest. So I did this. I did this.
हमने चेंज कर ली है गाइज इनटू नॉर्मल नाइट सूट क्योंकि हम अभी टायर्ड हो गए हैं
और अब आस्था सीक्वेंस में हारने वाली है.
इतना शॉट्स शूट करके अभी हम सीक्वेंस खेलने वाले हैं जहाँ पे दिखते हैं कौन जीतता है गाइज. आई थिंक आई एम गोना विन अगेन
Plus,
गाइज.
Astha playing very fast.
आज तो प्लेइंग वेरी फास्ट यू आर टेकिंग 3 hours टू
जब
थिंक.
तक मैं सोचती हूँ तब तक आस्था का हो जाता है.
नो वर्क ओनली प्ले मेक्स जैक अ डल बॉय.
Jack.
आई पॉइंटेड एट यू ओनली.
गाइस आस्था मेरे कार्ड्स के पीछे ही पड़ गई है.
मैंने 3 बार तुझे ब्लॉक किया है 3 बार.
Yeah, like can you stop? अपने गेम पे ध्यान दे.
Devashi realized midway that she doesn't have half the cards of the game. So you agree you've lost, right?
No, I thought we are playing with the right cards.
No, we're not.
And then we Googled. And Google also didn't tell us, but she gave
But-
logic.
I told.
My chat GPT.
Yes. Where are we going, bro? It's like 1 a.m.
Shut the fuck up. We are going to play pickleball.
Stop burping, bro. Devashi, man. What's wrong with you?
I got scared.
Why? I didn't burp. Why did you burp?
We didn't watch the horror movie.
What are you making?
Millet pancakes.
At 1 a.m.?
Yeah.
Is it healthy?
Yeah, healthy. See, it's millet. No maida.
Zero junk. Okay, fine. I believe you.
Promise भी लिखा है.
Promise, ठीक है.
Oh fuck, चिपक गया.
Big boss.
Oh fuck.
रात के 3 बजे है और हमने डिसाइड किया है पैनकेक्स बनाने. कुछ जलने की बात आ रही है ब्रो.
What the fuck do I do? सुन, आज तो तुझे नहीं मिल रहे हैं pancakes.
आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज द राइट तवा. You should have done it.
No, because that was for wash and I didn't want to wash it.
Bro, but you should never do it in this. It's supposed to be on a non-stick tawa.
But I put oil, I put ghee.
No, it's supposed to be on a non-stick.
कच्चा खाएगी?
नहीं bro, ये तूने क्या किया है?
ये तूने क्या किया? You'll get muffins. Like fuck this, bro. ये खाना है?
Our dad's
It's
not.
yummy. No, babe, you can't put this in the vlog.
No.
Wait, I also want to try.
You have no expression on your face, bro. How was it? What happened? What happened?
ये कल मिलेगा तेरे को pancake.
Good morning, guys. We just randomly slept yesterday. We woke up right now, and now Devashi is finally making pancakes. Let's see. Hey, man. Finally.
Still the same.
I think Devashi, we are not good cooks. But it's better. At least निकल तो रहा है. वो कल वाले में तो बिल्कुल नहीं निकल रहा था वो.
अभी ऐसे ही खाना पड़ेगा तुझे.
This is how you serve your guests.
Fast cafe.
This is how Devashi has served the pancakes to me. And she's called it pancake crumbles. Just because it's all crumbled up. Dude, Devashi, just look at it, man. She's making fun of my intro, guys. Please scream at her.
Scream.
Scream in the comment section, guys. Scream at this girl.
Guys, don't you think? Hi guys, this is Astha Shah. Welcome to my crazy world. No.
Entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world.
It's like some Disneyland ka
सुन पहले तेरे बैकग्राउंड में तू देख लेफ्ट में क्या पड़ा है.
My buddy, my favorite boy.
उसका एक तू सिप पी ले. Then I'll forgive you.
Shut up. My stomach is aching now. Don't piss me off.
She's ordered this one chutney for lunch just because it looked good in the photo. No one wants to eat it, but it just looks good.
Sorry.
What's the plan of action now? We're so lazy, bro. It's 12 o'clock. I don't feel like doing anything. Now we've called Riya here and we're waiting for her. And then we probably go to Slow, which is Viraj Ghelani's cafe.
So we're gonna change while we listen to music. It's gonna be cute.
And then
Then we go to slow.
that was a fast move. It's really funny that both
On the same boat.
Both of us are on the same boat because we're both PMSing and both our stomachs are hurting.
Like literally we came in the room, we were like हाँ TV भी on करते कुछ देखते हैं and we've just been like this and we're telling each other बहुत पेट दुख रहा है बहुत पेट दुख रहा है.
अभी किधर जाने का मन नहीं है यार. I'm to think let's go to sleep for a bit.
I don't mind.
हमने डिसाइड किया है हम ओमेगल पे जाके थोड़ा मस्ती करने वाले हैं. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Bro, there are creepy people also on it, huh? So you have to be very careful.
I've been on Omegle before.
You have?
Yeah.
Jigar and I have also made a video.
Yeah.
People are skipping us, bro.
Bro, yeah. See, again we got scared.
हेलो
Hi. कहाँ से हो आप?
देवीशी दिल्ली से. तुम लोग कैसे हो?
बढ़िया. वैसे मेरा
ये
नाम.
पूछते पहले कि कैसे हो आप?
हाँ, आप कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया.
क्या आपको काम नहीं है ये टाइम पे? ऑफिस नहीं जाना?
कौन सा ऑफिस? भाई मैं कॉलेज में हूँ अभी.
अच्छा कॉलेज में हो? कौन से कॉलेज में हो?
क्यों?
अच्छा क्या पढ़ते हो?
इंजीनियरिंग. तुम लोग क्या करते हो?
हम यार बहुत बड़े 30 साल के बूढ़े हो गए हम.
All are boring, bro.
कॉन्वर्जेशन के बीच में लेकिन बेचारा कोई स्वीटली इज टॉकिंग टू यू.
So boring. No one is there.
दिस वाज अ फेल.
You arrived from another city.
Guys, I feel like I came to learn hug.
We have come to Slow. Are we are vlogging for a whole day. Guys, we are here and Viraj Ghelani, the owner is here.
VVIP.
Guys, so Devshi does not like when we say, you know, let's go there. She always say, let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there.
It is not there.
Let's go there. So now we're going to speak like this.
What's that? No,
What?
what's that?
What's that?
What's that? But you know, you all actually speak like that.
Take that, right? Take that.
We actually speak like what? That. There.
Yeah.
The.
Do.
It's the, there, that. It's not that. It is that.
That's the problem. That's the problem.
That you don't understand.
That is the
like that. No, it's that. Say that.
that you don't understand.
That's the problem. Say
They
that.
speak like that.
No.
That's the problem.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. See, that's good. That's the problem.
That's the problem that we.
Nobody accent.
That only you have to change. That we don't speak like that.
But then there's no emotion. I will kill myself now.
Okay.
There's no emotion in that.
Take that, right?
Shut the fuck up.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Hi, Shonu. Hi. 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 Hi.
So cute.
So cute.
I just can't believe that both of us are on our period and we both want to have the same thing and we're both feeling the same thing. We're literally having soup together right now. And
Time we're old.
bro, and it's feeling so good now for some reason. It's so nice.
We wanted something warm only, like little only, not filling.
That's why you're looking like a little baby sitting down over there. Hi guys, I'm back home. We forgot to take the outro at her house. But that was a cute little sleepover with Devashi. We literally had it first time after 5 years of being friends. I mean, she's zero at mine, but I've never been to her house. And I mean, it was just like cute and fun and time passed. That's it. I think whichever shots I upload with Devashi always end up doing well on YouTube. So I think it's just cute. And we're actually two friends in the creator industry who don't generally end up shooting like those proper professional videos together. Like even if we're shooting like really time pass masti wale, some games wale videos and stuff like that. But any which ways, I've come back home now. I'm leaving for a trip tomorrow. I'm going to Sri Lanka. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video. If you like this one, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.